Today, I wanted to record straight to DaVinci Resolve using my Rode Wireless Go 2, a voiceover for a video that I was working with. But an issue happened and the microphone didn't work even if it was patched correctly. And so if this happened to you as well, let's jump to the computer and we'll show you how to fix this problem very quickly. If you want to record a voiceover directly in DaVinci Resolve, the first things you need to do is go to your Mac, open System Setting, go to Sound, Input, and be sure that your microphone Wireless Go 2 is selected. As you can see, the level is moving, so this is mean that in your MacBook is working. So going back to DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences now, Video and Audio section, Audio, check the input device and be sure that your microphone, in this case the Wireless Go 2, is selected. And then press Save. So add a new track, in this case add a mono, and rename the track. So as you can see, I have the music and I rename the track with VO, voiceover, press enter, and now we jump to the FireLab page. Let's go on the right to in the mixer and press the button input. Okay, and then you can see on the left we have the microphones, on the right we have the tracks. So select the microphone, it doesn't matter, you can select both and then it will do it automatically, and the track as well, and patch. Okay, so now they are patched and you can close it, so it should work. Pressing this button here, the R, we're gonna arm the track, and that's it, it's working. And now we should ready to go. If you press record, we can try to record our voice. Be sure guys that you try to record, and this is the audio setting. As you can see here, I press mute to don't listen to music. So if I go back and press playback, we can't hear anything, right? So that's the problem, because the microphone used to work in your laptop. So check back, unmute. We can hear the music, so the problem is not our Mac. So in this case guys, to fix this problem, what we have to do, you have to go back to setting, go to privacy and security, and then go to microphone, and then you will discover that DaVinci Resolve is off. So if you select it, and now it will ask you to quickly reopen. So let's delete this one, and we need to check again DaVinci Resolve, preferences, video and audio. This is selected. Okay, save. Let's go here, input. Okay, so let's mute again, press R, and now, hi guys, this is a test to shoot a voiceover under the track. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, can you see here guys, finally we have the waves. So let's go back and play back. Hi guys, this is a test to shoot a voiceover under the track. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay guys, so perfect. The last things I want to show you is, as you can see, if we try to record, can you see that this line is flat? There is no waves here. And let me explain you why. Then it's coming back. So if you jump to Firelight and see input monitor style, if you put in auto or even in input, you can see the it's not working now, right? But you can see you can hear the reverb. So that's pretty annoying, especially if you try to record. You can see the waves, but you can hear this reverb, and it's pretty bad. So in this case, we do Firelight, input monitor style, and I press mute. As you can see, sometimes a very simple setup can change completely the results. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any question or doubts, just leave me a comment below. And if you have time, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and see you at the next one. Ciao!